Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bahri Model School, PND Maripur. I am your SST teacher, Ms. Zara Rahman. This is my second video of SST. Our chapter number 2 is Oceans and Seas. The ocean have 99% of the Earth's living space with only 10% explored by man. The ocean covers 70% of Earth's surface. The ocean has an average height of 840 meters with an average depth of 3,795 meters. The ocean water is salty and cannot be used for drinking. Only 2.5% of global water is clean and drinkable. The level of sea water rises very high after a few hours and decreases again after a few hours. When the water level rises, it is called high tide. And after about 6 hours and 13 minutes, when the sea water reaches its lowest level, it is called low tide. There are 5 great oceans in the world. Number 1, Pacific Ocean. Number 2, Atlantic Ocean. Number 3, Indian Ocean. Number 4, Southern Ocean. Number 5, Arctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean of the world and covers more than 30% of the Earth's surface. The name Pacific comes from the Latin word pacificus, which means peaceful. That's why Pacific Ocean means peaceful ocean. The Pacific Ocean lies between the Asian and American continents. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on Earth after the Pacific Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is about half size of the Pacific Ocean and covers roughly 20% of the Earth's surface. This means that much of the world's river water flows into the Atlantic. The name of Atlantic comes from the Atlas Mountain. It is between the continent of America, Europe and Africa. The Indian Ocean is the warmest and the third largest body of water. It lies between Africa and Australia. It covers 20% of the water of the world ocean. There are many great rivers that flow into the Indian Ocean. The name Indian comes from the Indian subcontinent. It was first explored by an Arab voyager Ibn Battuta, who traveled to Spain in the west and later east to the island of Indonesia. The Indian Ocean has many important ports. Southern Ocean is a large area of water near Antarctica at the South Pole. The water of the seas are ice cold and frozen with huge glaciers known as icebergs. The Arctic Ocean lies at the North Pole and the Arctic Circle. It is an ocean that borders the continent of Europe, Asia and North America. Most of the area around the Arctic is covered with ice. All the air around the water is frozen with large glaciers of ice. The sea is a smaller body of water closer to the land. The water from rivers, streams and rain flows into the sea. The water of the sea and ocean is salty as the deposit of salt in the rocks and land flow out into the sea. There are 5 major oceans. There are many seas in the world. Dead Sea. The salt content in the Dead Sea is so high that plants and marine life cannot survive in its water. This is why it is called Dead Sea. Difference between ocean and seas. Oceans are very large bodies of water that covers 3/4 of the Earth's surface? Sea. A sea, on the other hand, is much smaller and usually located where the land and ocean meet. Now let's move on the exercise of this chapter. Our question number 1 is, who discovered India? How much percent of the earth is covered by water? How much of it is clean and drinkable? Number 3, why is the Dead Sea given this name? Number 4, write a brief note on tide. All these questions you have to write on your classwork copy. Bookwork page number 20. Fill in the location of each sea given in the box below. Number 1, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is in Indian Ocean and continent is Asia. Mediterranean Sea is in Atlantic Ocean and continent is Africa. Bering Sea is in Pacific Ocean and continent is North America. Caspian Sea is in Pacific Ocean and continent is Asia. Black Sea is in Atlantic Ocean and continent is Europe, Asia. South China Sea is in Indian Ocean and continent is Asia. Barents Sea is in Atlantic Ocean and continent is Europe, Asia. Red Sea is in Indian Ocean and continent is Africa. Java Sea is in Pacific Ocean and continent is Asia. Your home assignment is read this chapter, write all question answer on your notebook. Do bookwork page number 18, 19 and 20. That's all. Enjoy. Be happy. Have a nice day. Miss me in your prayers. See you soon. Inshallah. Allah Hafiz.